Imagine you're driving on a perfectly clear highway, and suddenly, brake lights flash. One bottleneck paralyzes the whole system. Your body operates on a similar network. A throbbing headache indicates a traffic jam occurring deep within your internal lanes. For over 2.5 millennia, traditional Chinese medicine has used a highly specific system to clear these internal pileups, acupuncture. This method focuses on the health of the entire highway system, reaching far beyond the specific area where you feel the pain. To understand how this works, we have to look at the traffic itself. In this system, the cars on the road are called qi, the vital energy that keeps your physical engine running. This gauge illustrates how your energy is governed by a strict rule of balance between two opposing forces, yin and yang. Yin is the passive, cooling, nourishing traffic, like a calm nighttime drive. On the other side, you have yang. This is the active, warm, energetic force, the daytime rush hour. When one side tips too far and overpowers the other, the traffic stalls. That disruption is what we experience as illness or pain. The entire purpose of directing that flow of energy is to bring those warm and cool forces back into a harmonious equilibrium. To manage this flow, the body uses 12 main routes, called meridians, carrying energy into your core. These lead into 5 regional hubs: wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. For example, the wood hub manages the liver and gallbladder's energy flow. Dotted along these 12 highways are over 360 specific points. Think of these as the on-ramps and traffic lights of the network. Because everything is connected, a practitioner can open a gateway on your foot to relieve a traffic jam happening all the way up in your head. Before fixing the jam, you need to find the cause. Acupuncturists act as investigators, looking for signs that the body's internal system has fallen out of sync. They take a detailed history, examine the shape and color of your tongue, and carefully feel your pulse at the wrist to read the internal state of your organ districts. They are looking to see if your problem is a deficiency, meaning the roads are empty, or an excess, where too much energy has piled up in one spot. They also check if external weather conditions, such as wind, dampness, heat, or cold, have invaded and slowed down the network. With this assessment complete, the practitioner maps exactly where your energy flow broke down and why. Now the acupuncturist steps in as the traffic controller. When they insert a fine needle into a specific point, they are sending a direct signal to adjust the flow. If a highway is empty, they stimulate the point to draw energy in, effectively refueling those depleted roads. If there's a pileup, they signal the body to break apart the blockage and clear the stagnant energy so it can move again. To send these specific signals, the practitioner might gently lift or rotate the needles. They might even apply targeted heat to a cold, sluggish area to get the traffic moving. The needles themselves don't contain any medicine. They are precision tools used to help the body redirect its own existing energy to where it's needed most. Because the system focuses on the root cause rather than the surface symptom, treatments are highly personalized. Imagine 2 people walk into a clinic, both complaining of a severe headache. For patient A, energy pools aggressively in the upper body, needing points to clear that heat. But patient B has the opposite problem. Their internal roads are nearly empty, lacking power to the head. They need points to build up their energy. Even though the surface pain feels the same to both patients, their internal ecosystems require entirely different solutions. While Western medicine uses different terminology, clinical research continues to validate that these ancient techniques produce measurable physical effects. Studies show that stimulating these specific points modulates the nervous system, prompts the release of natural pain relievers, and improves local blood flow. That measurable relief is why this practice is widely used in modern healthcare to manage chronic pain, reduce stress, and treat systemic disorders. Acupuncture acts as a map for internal traffic control. By keeping our energy highways open, it empowers the body to do what it does best: naturally heal itself.